how to transfer buying power from Robinhood to bank. So basically what you're gonna have to do in order to withdraw buying power from the Robinhood platform. So as you can see, to withdraw buying power, you need to get your earnings in the form of a currency, fiat or potentially crypto, and then send the money over to a bank or to an exchange such as Binance, KuCoin or Coinbase. So you're gonna have to sell your assets in your Robinhood account, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply select account, and then you're gonna have to simply go to your menu, then select transfer and then tap on transfer money. Choose the Robinhood account you want to withdraw money from, and then select a linked account to withdraw to. And if your account qualifies, an instant transfer eligible label is shown next to external account. Enter the amount you like to transfer and review the withdrawal and confirm any associated fees, and then select transfer, and basically this will transfer the money from your Robinhood account to your bank account. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.